Namaskar, eminent guests, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to be joining you all virtually and addressing the gathering at the 7th Global Conference on Near Space Industrialization. This 7th edition of the conference has brought together the brightest minds, experts, scientists, industrialists who will share their technical expertise and offer solutions on how to make space exploration environmentally sustainable and safe. I am sure this conference will provide a platform to discuss new ideas, challenges, and opportunities in this industry. In the global race for space exploration, non-rocket exploration of space has potential to become an alternative way of economical and eco-friendly transfer of humanity into the nearby space. India's space program is led by Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, which is involved in science, engineering, and technology to harvest the benefit of outer space for India and mankind. From the launching of its first satellite, Aryabhat, in 1975, to achieving milestones like the Mars orbit mission Mangalyaan in 2014 and the successful Chandrayaan mission to the moon, ISRO has constantly pushed the boundaries of space exploration. Developing environmentally sustainable technologies is the major focus area of this conference. I would like to mention here that when I met Mr. Anatoli Unitsky a couple of years ago, I liked his vision of preserving the environment for future generation by sustainable solution. As a road transport and highway minister, I have focused on developing sustainable transport infrastructure through many initiatives which includes use of flash, waste plastic, steel slag, bio-bitumen, municipal waste in road construction, and we have also promoted use of crash barriers made of bamboo, recycled and asphalt pavement, and polymer modified bitumen, glass fiber reinforcement steel in the construction. India is committed towards achieving net zero emission by 2070. My aim is transforming India's energy landscape that will transform farmers from crop producers to energy producers. We are promoting the use of alternative fuels like ethanol, methanol, LNG, bio-CNG, electric, hydrogen, and biodiesel in construction equipment to protect the environment. We have been making sustainably aviation fuel, SAF, from bio feedstock, including sugary and starchy biomass and all crops, and SAF has potential to become aviation fuel of the future. I request through this platform to explore the possibility of use of sustainable alternative fuels, biofuels in the space program. This will go to a long way in promoting the cause of environmental sustainability in the end. I would like to thank Mr. Unitsky and Astro Engineering Technologies for this conference. Mr. Unitsky has been a pioneer in non-rocket exploration of space and game changer in transportation industry. I remember visiting the elevated rail cable system in Sharjah, UAE, developed by USKY Technologies, and I enjoyed the test ride in the sky bus and also witnessed safety and evacuation demonstration, and it has potential to transform urban transport system. In the end, I wish all the participants success, new discoveries and achievement. I conclude by saying, work together with compassion and determination, build future where humanity and nature can coexist. Once again, thank you very much. Namaskar.